Pradesh, good morning to one and all present here. This is Yuvraj Sharma from Standard 9, standing before you to deliver a speech on the introduce of Vande Bharat and Amrit Express and Namo Bharat in India. First of all, thank you to all of you to giving this golden opportunity to express my opinion and vision about the development that have been took place in the Indian Railway. As we know that India is running on the path of development, and transporters play a very lead role in the development of our nations. So Indian Railway is one of the most play a crucial role in the development of our nations. I would very thankful to our honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has just made the modern rail realistic for the common peoples. On February 2019, he has introduced a Vande Bharat Express by giving a green signal which will run further from the New Delhi, Allahabad and Varanasi further on. And still there was a 66 train which is running all around the India of Vande Bharat. Now we will talk about the features that have been installed in the Vande Bharat. First of all, the Vande Bharat train have been just designed for the completely designed for the cover the short distance, and it is known as a semi-high speed train which is completely designed in our India, that is Bharat. It is also developed in an aerodynamic shape, so it can just reduce a drag and just to create a very less sound. It is known for its feature like its speed reach up to 160 km per hour, which reduce the travel time. It also have a modern features like it has an automatic door as well as glass panel window, adjustable seats, and moreover this it also uses GPS Wi-Fi navigation system, and moreover not only that much, it also just for the safety purpose it have a modules sensors which have been installed in it which detect the disasters before it occur, and we make the people aware about the accidents and save the peoples. It also have the eco-friendly like it consume very less energy and release very less harmful gases into the environment, which is very beneficial to us. Now it just save the very important time of our passengers. Now we will talk about the Amrit Bharat Express. Amrit Bharat Express is designed for the long journey, and it is provide every basic needs which is required the peoples and the passenger during the traveling. Like it just provide the every facilities like seating arrangement. It just made according to the interest of the peoples, because it is totally depend on the peoples who were just traveling in it, like the peoples who were just you can tell that the people belonging from the lower family, middle class family, and moreover so it has just adjustable seats, adjustable seating arrangement, lighting. It also provide a sockets of a charging from each seat, so they can easily consume the charging from it. It also enable the peoples to take the canteen, and it has a 24/7 customer care support. Along with this, it also just have the navigation system, cameras, and many more facilities which have been provided in Amrit Bharat. Once again, I would thank to our honorable Prime Minister who has just made this proud achievement for us. This is not only a train to be traveled, this is also a dream moving further towards the development in our future. Now, as we know that our honorable Prime Minister is going to launch a Vande Bharat in our Darbhanga, so it is very glad for us that we will be also a part of this development. See, the train is not only for the passenger who travel its benefits. It's also led to the just development in the economic field, as well as it also led to the development generate the job opportunity in the Indian Railway. Not only that much, it also just led to the business ideas for the small businessman. These were the benefits of this train. Now we will talk about why the train is important in our life. See, the train is not only the peoples to carry from one place to another place. Train also saves our passengers times, as well as it is a very cheap means of land transport. Train is also just connect the small cities to the big cities for the urbanizations. Train also led to the tourism, promote the tourism and the business ideas, and moreover. In conclusion, I want to include you that The introduction of these were the excellent example of the development that have been taken place in India, and this is a big part of self-reliable India. It means Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you for all about it.